Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today what we're working on is a 2005 Scion TC, and what we're doing all keys lost. We're going to remove the door lock and try to read the code off the lock. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright, usually I put this little plastic pry tool, but this one was kind of stuck, so I got it from the top and then sideways. Alright, so I did have to remove the passenger door lock, so there's the code right there, stamped. I don't see any other codes, so actually I do see another code here, so that might be it also, so I'll double check it. Alright guys, so what we're doing here is going to the Auto Smart app. This thing is amazing. Now, vehicle search, I already looked up this vehicle, so it's on my history. Here we go. The remote is going to be the MOZ-B4 1TG, so that's what it's going to be. So let me see what I have here on my X-Horse, which is going to be remote. We're going to go to Scion. Scion TC. So here we go, 5MOZ B4 1TG, MOZ B4 1TG. So this is the one we're using. It's pretty simplistic. 2005, 2012. That's the remote. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the X-Horse remote out of this, plug it up to this, and make this remote into Scion TC 2005. Alright, so I went ahead and put my remote in there. I know that's the FCC ID number. So since I'm going to close it up, I'm going to go ahead and put my X-Horse Super chip, because I will be cloning the chip. I don't even have to do any programming in regards to the chip, just the remote. Okay, you want to recognize that that little light is on, and then we're going to program the remote inside the vehicle. Alright, we got the key to the ignition on. We're going to do Scion. It's auto VIN. Ensure the network is on, which I'm having some trouble with my hotspot. Okay, let's see here. There it goes. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with my X-Horse. Check your network settings. What the heck? What's going on here? Okay, this might be a manual learning. Let's go ahead and try that. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Door closed twice. 1, and then 1, 2. There we go. There we go. So this was a manual. So there we go. And then, so it's in twice, then close the door twice. 1, 2, then once, and then close the door twice. 1, 2. Then you put the key in, then you close the door, then you turn it on, then off, take it out, and then it should go into cycle mode. There we go. Check that the remotes are working. There we go. So let's clone this chip. So here we go. We have the X-Horse Pro Max tool, and we're going to go to Transponder clone. This is the key we're working with. Read transponder. There we go. 4D clonable clone. Start clone. Okay, let me put my hotspot.
So in this part, it looks like my iPhone was on the 5 gigahertz setting, and the X-Horse Pro Max tool can only pick up the 2.4 gigahertz setting. So I had to adjust the settings on my iPhone for the hotspot to be picked up. But I did put the X-Horse down, and I got my key do-it-yourself, and I was able to clone the chip by pressing clone and just transferring the data from the old key to the new super chip. So this was a successful job. Thank you so much. Have a great day.